In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dodge, burn, and sponge brushes in Affinity Photo. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can enhance your photos with confidence and control. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. Once your photo is on screen, we're going to work with three retouching tools that live in the toolbar: dodge to lighten, burn to darken, and sponge to adjust color saturation. Think of them as precision brushes you can paint with to guide the viewer's eye and shape the mood of your image. Select the dodge brush when you want to brighten specific areas. This is perfect for lifting shadows in a face, brightening eyes, or enhancing highlights on hair and reflective surfaces. Before painting, adjust brush size to suit the area you're working on. Small for details, larger for broader zones. Set flow low for gradual buildup. This controls how quickly the effect accumulates as you brush. Opacity sets the overall strength of the stroke, so a moderate value helps keep things subtle. Paint with light, short strokes, and build up slowly. If something brightens too quickly, reduce flow or opacity and continue with a gentler hand. Switch to the burn brush to add depth and contrast by darkening selected areas. This tool is great for defining cheekbones, deepening shadows, and toning down bright distractions along edges or backgrounds. As before, size your brush appropriately and keep flow on the lower side. Move the brush with intention, following the natural shapes and contours in your photo to avoid blotchy patches. A few careful passes usually look more natural than one heavy stroke. When you want to control color intensity, choose the sponge brush. Set it to saturate to make colors pop, or desaturate to dial back overly vivid areas. This is useful for bringing attention to key elements, like a vibrant subject, while calming competing colors elsewhere. Keep flow conservative here too. Color shifts can happen quickly if you paint too long in one spot. Across all three tools, remember that smaller, softer brushes blend more smoothly, while larger brushes cover big areas quickly but require a lighter touch. Zoom in for precision, then zoom out to judge the overall result. If you overshoot, simply undo and try a lighter setting, or gently pass the opposite tool over the same spot to balance it. Finally, paint over the areas you want to enhance or correct, working intentionally and gradually. With dodge, burn, and sponge, small, controlled adjustments add up to a polished, professional finish.